Donkey brain me want. Donkey brain me want. Anything we go down and tilt up a seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus, me a travel upon the donkey. Why? School, me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, what that country boy? Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Why? School, come donkey, go on. Why? Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Why? School. Me not travel upon the country bus, me a travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr, hi, oi, brrr, easy now, donkey. Oi. Sumba, sunda da da dumba. Valley follow, mountain for slope. This place my home, I'm not alone.
Oh, late.
Evelyn.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far.
Boy, I walk down the whole place. Me no know. Like somebody a try run just me. Me see them a throw something on the grass them a now. Them a turn brown. Me can't get no work. Watch that. Me call me straight a rusty. You know get to chop nothing yet.
You know, sir.
And you know, so really and truly, between me and you, me no want to chop up somebody, you know. Want to chop bush, want to chop grass, want some work. You know, no.
Yeah, man, you know, so me know one man up the road, I want donkey cart. Where man look somebody to work for him.
Yeah. You have my number?
Yeah, no, me can't take your number.
But when would I get to work?
Me not.
Immediately?
You call him, yeah, immediately you not get it, you just call him.
All right. Take my number.
All right.
I'll make the link. 825 1926. Even now, me know no man call me. So you go call me and tell me, give me direction to where the man is, so I go do the work. You get that thing? Cause nobody when me talk to, no say, go and work there for me. So we rate here, you know? You know the free can give me drink. No free in there?
Yeah, man, you can't get on soda.
No drink soda, no. More like a chicken stove. Yeah, yeah, so you go nice. When we get to work, we check your back and execute. Yeah, let me get dragon. But you say a sure thing.
Yeah, man, a sure thing.
Come on, girl, go get the dragon stove.
I just me and me donkey. I'm a whole time friend. I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend. I do some work this morning, you know.
Don't be a fool, Danny boy. Stick to the rules and make your father proud in a dying grave. Your father was a very good man, full of integrity. In all that you do, remember, don't tell anyone. This must remain a secret. Temptation will come your way, but you can't afford to lose this, Danny boy. Not for fame, love, nor for any praise. Do the right thing and focus.
Thank you, Jimmy. I'll take your advice, man. Alright? Yeah, man. Come in. You're late, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, so
The door river man, you know. Build up me. That's you know. So that's that one, you know.
alright, you want what? The farmer really gone bad. So we are gonna see if we can clean up the farmer because drought deal with their way.
No man.
And
I simple thing, you know, we can't catch up your back like you want around saying.
yeah.
Simple thing for myself, man.
So we carry out, you know.
Oh, you know, say I left you for here, I don't remember, man.
Yeah, man. So what we are doing now, we'll start from around there, so. Round the side there.
Yeah.
Weed out the side and come back round. Round.
Well, that's a good thing, and see potato, they must spring up here now, you know.
Yeah, man. But we get to work now.
Yeah, man, I'm ready now. Alright, I'm going to start, you know, for people.
Why son of tea, man?
The papaya, they want to cook up, man, you know, they want rice, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man. You joke upon them.
Well, I don't hope up this, you know.
So where you marrying there?
Sweat up, man, I feel home here, man. Come here.
You're good, you know, brother. This is son, yeah?
Yes, come on, wait. Yeah, man, the papaya, they matured, man. But yeah, one more thing. You know, plan to sell Lucy?
Brother, you can't sell the people them woman ag.
They not going to know that. All you have to do is just kill you and skill.
No, not upon that. Where you there, brother? No work where I work, sir.
Oh, I'm going back and work. Yeah, do that, dude. Sorry, you know, understand. All right, I'm going back and do my whole job.
You know upon them thing there, brother. Work where I work. Can't deal with people, sir, brother. Next thing we go do that here, say we are chickster. Eh?
You all right?
And nobody no want to support the business. You know, Timbo. We could go over the next farm.
Then, you can't take a break sometime.
Hold on, man. Remember, brother, people want to make it in a life, we have to work hard.
Yeah, but
By the sweat of your bro, you shall what?
you shall eat bread, but sometimes you can't eat crackers too.
No, man. But a bread don't want. A crackers too tough. Life done tough already, you know.
I'm sure that, man, but...
Well,
as I say, work hard if you want something in life.
Tukan,
Believe in you. So.
Go over the next farm, go get the food for tomorrow. Because remember, you know, when you go to market, we want no food to sell, so could go over the next market, go get.
So we have to carry over this time, right?
To go over the next, eh?
We have to carry over.
No, left it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hold on. Where am I in there?
No, man, make that channel and done. Right now, I'm not too busy to do that, you know. God knows. We know what me and not done.
There's the water.
Rough. Hold on, man. You have move so fast, man. I got it done. I got it every morning here. I see you. If you're so young, boy, that's it.
All right,
Feel it, what you want to teach you? You got to teach me one day, you know.
all right, sir.
So, put a mellow one mango there. You see?
No, not time for that, no, man.
Well, Miss I see the lady always want mango, you know.
Not sure. Hey, them food I got sell, man, you know, brother.
I tell you,
Them pretty, man.
I go on, you know. And money you want to try to make, you know. As I say, right, this sweater you bro, you shall me have bread. I know good the man, you know, man. All right, tell you. Hey, pull on the done,
Jesus.
done,
So you couldn't tell me, man.
done,
Make it on
man.
here, sir. Make it on here, sir. We unload them here.
Yeah, man.
Put them on the bar there, sir.
Pull on.
Yeah.
All right.
So 7 o'clock in the morning.
So 7 years, I'm not late this time.
7 in the morning.
No fret. Money this year, no. So
Yeah.
I can't late when I have money.
Right.
Only two I did the farm still, and I did have to take my practice.
Now we're on a pattern now. Look at more.
Yeah, you're on a boat. I can link you later.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Food for eat, you know. Down there.
You're late again, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Sorry about that.
See you much later.
So I said, ready, you know?
Boy.
Yesterday, I did one weed out some more. I said, I said, sure.
Alright, come in.
Tired and hungry, man.
We'll do what we are doing then.
The donkey down the yard, right?
Yeah. We're going to market. Water. We don't have to long as say no.
Tell you, you know. You see? All the gungo peas are dry up.
Come on.
What do we need? You know, man. All in hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? Done. Wouldn't mind the hallelujah. They're sperm more fast, you know, man.
Boy.
You know why I use no chemical? Why?
Boy, I'm not on the pesticide thing, you know, because them things are pipe.
Yeah, but you're going faster, make money faster.
You understand?
want to get rich fast, you know, man. I don't want poor, man. You can't manage it. You think sardine and them they are good food every day. Your brother did pay for a bunch of banana?
No, not yet, not yet.
Tell him they need to trust him, man. Tell you. We now get the money.
More come through, man. Ah, yeah, what?
Man.
I know, this I know for a PD. We could go,
Thank you, Jesus.
we go up on the market side.
You know, Lamar, you say that you a time to make money,
What
not
mean?
a time to skin teeth.
Youth and youth. Afternoon. Youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Uno good?
Yeah.
All right. Here what me say different to uno now. Me I try find a virgin named Donn. You know? He have a donkey cat. Cause there's plenty Donn. Me not thought Donn have one. Me said Donn. We have a donkey cat. You know the virgin?
Yes.
All right. We party and live.
Live where let us walk on your list.
All right. When I pass back, if you're not there, we get something here. Buy
Yeah.
some bag juice or something. All right? Big up on yourself.
Man, no did bad do.
You're no man yet though. So you drink bag juice and okay, your boy.
Me no did bad do.
All right. Me think what we want. Jack and stout.
Me a yike rum. Yike rum.
All right.
Yeah, tell me that boy, you know.
Yeah.
Lock, man.
You see that Anna plant there? But you want chopping?
No, I'm not chopping it, man. I want to start turn more.
All right.
One of the come up in them, I watch him in the country for one of them still in there.
All right. There you go there.
Yes, sir.
Real. Nothing I'm gonna make you now, boy.
Straight to market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that me can't understand now how them a young boy and I want to work, you know.
Like that, me fi tell you.
And we don't know old man and we are work, so. Eh?
Like that. Boy, rough. Danny rough.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, I don't know if Prime Minister how did them hoodlum, you know.
I tell you, boy, because some of them don't want to work, you know. You know, them a mix up some people like unemployment rate. Some people out of that now want to work, you know. Some percentage out of that now want to work.
I don't lie. Two them fit we a farmer. Them fit we not bright.
So I think they should have one sitting with them call him no one work rate too. I lie.
Yeah, that one right, you know.
Mix up all people who want to work, you know, you realize.
What about farmers rate? What about farmers rate?
Zumba.
How much can get more money?
Sunda da da dumba.
Don't talk to them half a bar.
Valley
Follow.
Believe me,
Mountain
man.
for
Yeah,
slow.
government. What?
This place my home. I'm not alone.
Where I go?
Oui.
Check off the pattern is in them, man.
Thank you. All right. Yes, Billy. Dan,
Hey,
how time you say you guys come to clean up your place?
this morning if you come in.
This morning. What's the time? A good young man.
Good morning, I bucket them.
A
Down I
bucket.
bucket them come.
All right. See. All right. All right, okay. Man, I take too long, boy. No.
You soon.
What time we are going to market, by the way?
Soon push out. So feed the them first. Ah, yeah, what? Do you the pot?
You know, we have a pint.
You must say we have to eat something. You know.
I'm hungry right now, man.
Wagwan, youngster.
There.
What your name, sir?
My name Giovanni.
Jovan. My name Fire, right?
Yeah.
Me a check for one brethren named Donn. We have a donkey card. You know him?
Yeah.
What part he live?
I live around this one. Yeah, I go past one big tree right there, so a mango tree. Then I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go down on a hill, and then I see a yard.
Me a good on one hill.
Yeah. And then I
So
see.
me a go up one hill first.
No, yeah, go down on a hill first.
As me grow on the corner, me a go down.
Yeah, and then I go
I
up
don't
on
go
a hill.
down, man. Is there a way for me to walk up one hill?
Yeah. Yeah, I go up on a hill.
You're confusing, alright. You're good though.
Yeah.
Alright, me go figure it out.
Yeah.
I got to find this man no normal.
Hold on, man. Wait now.
Are you to get trouble? Come in, Dan. Come. Come.
Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
Man, take long at all. Where bread?
Bread in our bag, man.
Couldn't buy a slice of bread, man.
This we can't afford.
But at least.
How are you next spot?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no, man.
Just me and me donkey and me old time friend.
See, donkey cat, so. Dan! How you name Dan? Come up.
In, man. Forward, man.
Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. The scent here smell like hog.
No,
How about that?
I don't have. Come on, man.
No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there. That big old white somebody so.
Rasta. Around here, somebody want you to clean up. Nothing at the hog pen.
Listen me now.
Around here, so.
Rasta burn a fire upon a hog pen. Me no go round hog. Me no.
Imagine I eat it. You know, I eat the hog.
Listen me now. How you coming to eat in argument? I come for work, but I don't work in a pig pen or pig surrounding.
I clean up the area.
Listen me. Get somebody else clean up that. Me no clean up hog pen.
I tell you.
Rasta. You hear me I say? And in the one you clean up and around it.
Listen me. Me no clean round hog pen or round hog.
Oh, you make money.
Listen now. No worry about me making money. Right? Worry about cleaning up on a hog pen on yourself. A fire rasta put on a hog pen. Listen me now. When no call I, you call me for work.
Yes.
Yes, but you have to clarify. Say you a hog man.
All right, hear me I say, Rasta.
If you tell them we
Yeah, tell me say you a hog man so me know. Say,
I don't say you're a Rasta.
well, now you know. And
Rasta,
now I
what kind of work you
go.
do? What kind of work you do?
I clean up bushes. I chop bush.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So now that-
But I don't chop bush around hog pen.
Rasta, I don't like your style, man. You can't come.
Let me tell you something about style. The style you have no good, right? You must try, you know, so you tell people from the beginning, say hog pen cleaning.
You know what I tell him?
So hear me I say no, differently from that. I now have to do them work, I know. I have 14 subjects. That's why I now go shave up. and go work in the Babylon institution, you know. All right, I'm telling you that.
Hey, Rasta, first subject.
I'm tell you one thing. You're right, you know. See your bread butter on the 5 side.
I hear side brother Rasta. What we tell her, you think that somebody saying somebody I can come here, man?
Rasta don't want to work, brother. All right.
Get that boy the side of the work for you, can't chat too much.
It's all right.
Make him yam down the grass them.
All right.
Why? We have got to clean up ourselves. You know. I'm going to check on the donkey and come.
All right, then, me go and mash up. Oh, man, mash up everything now. Oh, Rasta come piss me off.
Jimmy, we are about to go in town. Where we can go to make a good sale.
Go in town. When you go in town, a lady in a red dress is gonna come and spend a big money with you. Right by the supermarket.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Ah! Run the bird for man. Oh, you know, laminate piece of bird.
Ready now, ready.
Ready?
Yeah, we are going town.
All right.
Yeah. Hey, lucky gate now, man. All
You
right,
can't come out. You can't come out, man. Remember I say them pen up in them pen, you know. Them good, man. Them good.
all right. Going in town.
Are you lose him? Everything needs to sell, right?
Yeah, man. Over.
Yeah, man. Sell.
We can make a decent sale today, no?
So we're going right town, we're going to market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one a lot. Oh, no.
You know, so you shut out somebody in there.
No, man. No, shoot up somebody in there, man.
Say.
I tell you, sir. You need more donkeys like this, you know? Rap. Easy, top him, listen.
All right.
I want to park up yesterday.
All right, you want to go?
What that?
One lady, I go come spend her money over there. So.
Which lady?
Yes.
I don't understand. Every time you tell me something happen, I want a call again.
What you say?
Oh, man. Me want to see. What color clothes she in?
I want red dress.
More obviously what I want today.
Well, we just going to wait.
Cause God know. One know what I want.
Hello? A food in the cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Hello.
Me can get one bunch of banana, Irish onion and then some soup there.
Tie donkey there, so sorry.
How are your partner?
No, man, I'm all right. Alright. Ah. They wanna soft, you know.
You sure?
Come on. Where's the one? Mm.
Want everything we have in the bag here.
Wow, sure. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the banana in this and give you.
Yeah. How
Right?
much for everything?
Pumpkin and everything there. Irish everything
Yeah.
there. Alright. 5,000. Thank you very much. Alright, so I can't get the bag, but me I go to another supermarket and get a bag for you, right?
Alright.
Go over
Yeah. Thank you.
Well done.
there.
You can. You can go market and have a dance. Nobody can know. Nobody can know.
Ah, sir.
What?
Ready?
Come on. Where it is?
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, honey.
Alright, where you going?
In the car.
That's car right here.
Can put it in the trunk.
Yeah.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo, how you doing, man?
Yeah, but-
Hey, no, babe, come easy. Yo, come on, man. I talk to them. Yo, where the woman? Eh? No, yo. When you say woman, you're the boss.
I help her with that. See, what is man?
Yo, look what this, sir. You see this, sir? That means to leave that woman alone.
I help.
Whenever you see her again, yo, babe.
Just-
Hold on, man. What kind of money so make a touch you? Donkey cat money sign up. No, listen to me. No, babe, let's go.
Man.
Babe, let's relax.
Listen to
What do
me.
you mean no arm? Yo, take for yourself, man.
Yo, what we here to do, Bretton?
Yo, look here, sir. Kick it up away, man. You kick in your face. Come here, talk. Yo.
No, babe, Jesus.
Hey, boy, move yourself. Man. Babe, let us go in the car, man. Yeah, make donkey, man. I carry some truck. On head fun and donkey, man, you know.
Hello? Oh man, don't do me anything, man. I'm okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Alright. Yeah, thanks. When I'm thirsty, you know, over the moment.
What going mother now? They good?
Yes, man. Yeah, right, man.
Yo, what I'm thinking of getting done my thing, man.
Why, thank you. May God bless you and keep you. May your storehouse basket never go empty.
Thank you, man. I
You
appreciate
know,
it.
you don't trouble, no trouble.
No, man.
Make sure none of them no line up.
I want you good, man.
Alright, one. Alright.
Get that here?
Alright, do some yourself.
Yes.
My word, you know.
I don't like where today. You never did have to beat up me with stuff. You just still a try for help. You just there in the car, you see me I come up with the buckle and I do nothing.
Hold on. You know, say, some things you have to see I'm blind here and there because you don't understand. You understand circumstances. What are talking? Hello? Yeah, man. Everything good. What? No, Chief. No. And that is it. Alright. Later, I fall in our work. We'll talk about it. Alright?
What okay.
I wonder if I become beat up, eh? The brother. This will cause a problem. Supervisor calling and tell me, say, be careful. Don't you care about nobody. No work, nothing alive. How you feel? I know how you feel like, say, you make certain people help you, because you make me look bad.
So, when they say you have something for, reason about when we reach at work. Yeah, man. What you know? I get this order and it come from up at the extreme top, When I say extreme top, I mean it come from the higher rankers. And right now, the man them say whatever it is that you do, you have to stop and cease from it. Me? What you know? I want me hear and I want the people them tell me. Whatever it is you're doing, because I never ask them that. The man them even stay up on the phone long enough to tell me nothing. The man them just say, tell me second, to stop what I'm do, because it attract too much attention. It attract some heat, unnecessary heat what we don't want. So I say, alright bossy, and I hit that.
Alright. But me I say to you, still see, more while you get them phone call and, like you say, boy, yeah, get the higher calling from Ray. You ever see the boss yet?
Why I'm a general?
You ever see the big man yet? What claims my big man, the whole operation, everything?
What you know? Never yet put a name to the face in my G. I don't know how this man look. I don't know what to tell you about this man, but all me know is when time orders come, bossy orders them ever concrete. And some of them miss pan up my G. The man never yet tell me nothing and it not gossip.
So, me I wonder still, see, in a case like this, what could I go wrong make them call you and tell about me just like that? Eh?
Brother.
It's not like something I do my job and my job not always effective. Eh?
Hear me say no man. It's not what you do still, It's probably how you do it. I remember say them man they have eyes all around the streets. So them think they can cause one whole heap of little things where we not see. They might get bigger than we pay grade, So we have to just know what we are do. We have to just work in silence, my general, and keep things on low profile.
But me I do that because I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want to go
He's
to
not
jail.
a person for, on my profile, that, bro. Well, everything we do is business.
Yeah, man, say. The man
know
say, tell you a thing, and I tell you a thing. So, do what you will with that, Or the so the thing set right there, so.
Alright. Yeah. We don't need that. So, what we pan around?
You don't know, man, on the call where wait pan, man. Call supposed to jump in shortly, man. As soon as the call jump in, you don't know. We'll make a move and go do a rounds, you see it?
Alright, so we're going to wait.
Police! Put your hands through the window!
Yo,
put your hands through the window!
Yo, so what I'm thinking next, brethren? Yo, and a me one in that vehicle.
What should I call me for? Girl, me soon reach. Me the right round that corner, so.
Stop the your credit. Alright. Good evening, Miss Mer.
No, don't wake her. She's sleeping.
And now, girl, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, you always stress.
No, but for real, nursing school has stressed me. Pharmacologist, psychology, as well.
That's why I'm not still?
Right now, I want homework, they just send me a summary.
I understand. But me and say for that stuff last year.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy.
Well, I miss you and TV, man. You need to come around so come can help you. Mostly. Well, me mom can't help you.
Anyways, let me tell you what me come up here for. I'm stressed out, I may never start from the day, so. What me here say, your man get locked up.
Well, you ain't get lots of food like that.
So, I want to go to class that I donkey cat on an end of that.
No, you're right to know, man. We're starting position of flower or more than one flexibility. So, and then the bank account, and I will give you the information here.
As somebody tell me, but they want to say them kind of money that your man did a draw.
Well, yeah, I know.
I ever talk about the donkey cat, man. If me have a man like that, me I would out for him, girl.
Well, you know, David, him abuse by the and the donkey cat man in the name that don't call it that. The donkey cat man, he's a very genuine person. Like he's way better than a
donkey cat man, anyway.
He was a donkey cat man. Yeah,
Why mama donkey cat?
His name Donn. Donn? So Donn?
Donkey cat man.
Anyways, so in way better than David. David just we can't make actually with you.
Me rather go through the abusive rich relationship than if you go through the broke relationship. Me rather the ball on a yacht than a cat.
See, you can agree with yeah man, I can agree. You can agree. You will stick to that. Me I tell you, Dan is way better in cheap more way better. The guy just like in the supermarket and the boys is going out and can't start beat up the man. What for cause that? This is a big embarrassment. If you know me, if you like, I don't really care about going in the car, going in the car, you know everybody starts.
The thing said that they they are jail.
No, yeah, whatever. You're not going to be able to. The teacher told me.
So get liar or something?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm really care, like, my focus there. Over that. Because women like me.
That's good, but you man have more money than that the donkey cat boy then.
You don't go too far. You're past the place now. You cannot do that. We are come from too far. If you meet to something like somebody else telling man's boy.
What in
limits? I know that though. What that say?
Buckle friend.
That girl, you go too far. It does not matter. It don't matter. Me like him. And when you meet him, you get.
Anyways, I can't go down because I get homework right now. I have to go finish up some biology and chemistry.
Give me a hug, and I think I'm going to say what can we do today. You just come up here with your bag of that stress.
It smells nice though.
Donn!
Yo!
Come on, man!
What's
the time?
I put up my bed better.
Time, you say 7 o'clock, come man. And 9 to 7, come.
Voila.
Tired, man, tired. Donn!
You say me I come, brother. Hold on, man.
Come in, man. You see it?
Boy. Boy, front door nearly pop off last night, brother. I not open it.
No, man, listen, man. 5 minutes left before 7 o'clock, man.
The door nearly pop off.
We don't pay attention to that. You tell me 7 o'clock, I hit me a work off one.
Come, take a sit down, man, tap a chatting. Hey, man, I must have a sit down, man.
Heavy, man. Wait.
It's a one of us, now, brother. Over there now. Why not easy, now, brother?
Wait. You come tell me that you did really heavy. Eh? Boy. I'll do that. There you go. There we go. Look. No, man.
You are going. We'll feed the them and then we push out. See?
No problem. 'Cause next time, let's say 7 o'clock, we are going to market it start feed the hog them from 6.
You wash your face, man.
Huh?
Man, have to wash your face. Water, man. Wash your face, man.
Wash it right now, me having a problem with it.
Wash your face, man.
I tell you.
Matter in your man. Tell you, man.
I don't be there no member for wash your face. And sometimes, I'll even for wash your face in there, we not come so sometimes, it's still in there.
Yo, day just light and I sweat already, brother. It's so nothing, man.
Come, just at 7 o'clock.
Oh.
I'm money more going to make right now.
Come on, yeah, man. We're not wasting no time.
Yeah. We want rich, you know, man. We want some money.
Yes, richer than Elon Musk.
Not really, you know. I just want some money, you know. That's why I don't keep woman in my yard because you not going to make me gain no money. So you see some of them woman, yeah?
Yeah, all right, man. I need my family. We're not next.
Dan, you can't talk about family in a state.
Listen, I say in the next 5 years, if you come and come see us, full off a little bit. Yeah.
In a boat house, same way.
Oh, yourself, man. Come on. Come on.
You ever see how the man woman are nowadays? If you don't have money, they don't want you.
Easy.
And the local market money can't help you. Come banana, mango. Come out. Get square again, get it. We're going to market. Young banana. Over here, right there. Nothing
Donkey
there.
go a hee haw hee haw.
Yellow.
Donkey go a hee haw hee haw.
Yellow.
Donkey
Chip,
brain
chip.
me want me
Get
want.
it right.
Donkey brain me need want.
Yellow.
Thinking to her, thinking to her.
What you
You see
mean,
the donkey so me nine can. Me
not
not chop on no country bus. Me not chop on the donkey.
Cash in and smoke.
Me not chop on no
Thinking to her there.
Yes, when that country boy. No man I like when I chop on the donkey no. I'm my son to tell you.
Fresh yam.
Everything there, people. Everything there.
Come donkey.
Yeah, yam, banana, dashing and guaco.
Drink some water now.
Yellow.
Tap a river now.
Oh, go on there. Hold on, I'm going to get that drink, yes, now.
When I talk about special, I might shot that, you know. Too special. Too special.
Tell her, brother. So I go and party.
Yeah.
Really, I go up on the market, you know?
Yeah.
You all right, though?
I like it.
Real.
All right, mom. Let's see again, yeah?
Later, here.
Oh, God.
Yeah, boy. You're drunk already, no, boy?
No, man. I just two drinking, no, man. I want you taking, you know.
Yeah, because I drink with caution.
Yeah. Yam, banana, and dumpling. Yeah, yellow. Dashing, cocoa, mango. Yam, banana, dashing, and cocoa. Over here, tip. $200 a pound. Yam, $100 a pound. Cucumber. mango. 3 for 100. We are let it go. Each in there 100 for one. Everything 100 now. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. Get the yam. Walk go dash in. Yeah, man, if you want me to tell them you want the color load already, come. I said, color load, you know.
Two, man.
No, but that use chemical in the one. You would. Yeah, look. Out the road, tip. Tip and clean. No chemical. Yam, banana, dashi, mango, cocoa, cielos. Cielos.
Hold on. Hold it, bro. Hold it. Hold on, you never tell you look tall. You need to give them to some water, you know. You need to give them to some water, man. On the anti-merle no water, you know.
No. I want market to give donkey some water, man. I ain't that right now, you know.
Alright.
I try to find him, I can't find him.
Hey, good day.
Hey, Donn. Come on. You know what? No trouble. Come on. What me say?
Alright.
Is it okay for me to have a word with you?
Donn!
Sure.
Tell me you want to Donn.
Mega, come on.
Donn.
So, I'm so pleased to say I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend is like that sometimes, you know. So, what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. You were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes. Is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have some, stuff selling and stuff. You have grown provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure, you can support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother,
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So
Okay.
expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Okay.
Brother, you should get going.
Donn.
Hmm?
You know, see now, listen. You're a black and blue. You want my black and blue here again?
Business we are doing.
Donn, whether business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number. You know what that all lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up. We don't want to go there so right
Brother,
now.
I don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying now that we know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I might bread back if you want top.
Come on, make we go, man. Go over. Make some money.
I'm begging now move. So, you shouldn't move.
Carrot, we have over here, carrot. We have the Irish them too. We have the Irish them over here. Because some of them people here, them a walk up here and I feel them stall alone people a go. Carrot! 500 a pound fee yam! 500 a pound fee yam! Hey, me say, you don't know what say. Other day I be a little water, me see them at the donkey cart man there, but every day you come here with the donkey, I go and think you can trick people. Them a thief off things off of people farm and come out here. I go and like I say they can't trick with. They can't trick with out here, man. Can't trick with. Irish and yam we have over here.
Yeah, start set up nice.
Yo, hey. You hear me over there?
I'm alright.
Alright with that. Yo, get in your way, man, I say.
Alright.
Donn. We have to take people things.
Same alright, brother.
Yeah, eat out the profit, man.
So now we do your work.
No, eat
We not
out the
eat.
profit. Yo, you know, I'm only king nine glass. But that's a big stone over there.
Over here, so people, over here, so.
Come over here, so godly food. Don't go over there, so full of.
Ground provision over here, so people. No fertilizer.
Right. We now walk on these people.
Well,
Pepper.
come like a mama, man.
Donn, you can't move over there on the king now.
You're fighting a market anyway.
You can't move over there on the king now.
Love him.
Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they're rich. They feel like them are somebody true Andrew, let's get them all little donkey. But time come, as soon as Master Mark win, is a Benz we are drive down at this. You can't trick we. When you settle for a little donkey.
No, you soon get where you look for, you know.
I got something there. I got something there. Yo! I'm not for buying enough on them boy, you know.
Why?
Today they call me and give me work. I'm going to check all of the goods them and I hack fender in there. Everything keep work. I got piece for shit. I got piece for shit. Smell them. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Try something. Look where me don't pull out this, you know. When me pull out this and me fire, you're dead, you know. Try. Just try something pull out this, yeah.
Why don't you tell people something, Jerry?
I be a so on have. Be a shit and piss for the mango them. Be a piss and shit for the good them. Oh no buy no fat. Yeah, you can't style, you can't style me. See what? Do I go on?
tell me one about Rasta. Yo, you hear what I say? You hear what I say? And then he go tell that the dirty one over there. You know what that means?
Brother, fight, I'm gonna get fight everywhere. You have to just
We not like you. We not like you.
Brother, hold. You have to people try out my own. Relax yourself, man.
Your day soon come. Your day soon come.
Brother, now listen to that. Brother, remember so that everyone now, man.
Your day soon come. Yeah, it's mango man. Cheap and okay.
Cheap bills are done.
So you have 200 we can't find us.
Yeah, man, I have someone.
Are you West them there?
Give me. Yeah, back.
No matter what I'm trying, we still make money.
Money have to make.
Man, short
No man, we have 2 days when it's saying I'm making 250, so you know
Good. Yeah,
come in for the mango there.
yeah, Lord.
Come in for the mango there.
One boombi.
Hey, where the pan?
See how go. I'm merging this here. Where you listen there?
Yeah, man. Take a listen now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, you have green, you know, man. No, but it's good. Hey, there, you want to know when you get the color from? That half there. Eh? No, man, it's good. Good.
Yo, can't do money, so brother.
No, man.
No, what I say?
Yo, tell the money too. Man say, yo, yeah, that's smell good.
You know, see a son who go on like you want style, man, all the while.
Jay, me say, Dan.
Man, not style thing.
Dan.
No, man, everything good, man. Everything good.
Dan, me say that. Dan. Where you do that? And everything good, you talk. You may like his style, Dan. Tell you already, man. Wait till him, man. Yo.
Virgin, if you have a virgin and you can't tell me the truth and everything.
Sometimes you keep it to yourself.
You pocket girls down in here.
Well, you're right. Me not say you're wrong.
If you want vex with it, you vex.
I know you don't make a sale over this, you know. Sale out, $100. It's good, man. It's good.
I sprinkle water.
$100.
Hey. I sprinkle water so they and papa.
Your mama can go and sprinkle water, but I go over here and sprinkle. Watch him. Watch him, I walk road. Watch him. Your man, go and walk road. Adios. God, I go strike you over there. $100 market. Your man, go and sprinkle your water, yeah. You no frightened away. $100 market.
Sumba, Valley follow, Sunda da da dumba.
Yeah, today was a good day. So that's the last thing, but where things?
Give God thanks for me killing.
Yam banana and dashing, quokka, over yard. We are still in a year or two. You can't sell out a road, you have to sell for people them too. Yam banana, dashing and quokka. Come on, chief, everything have it done. A pound of yam going for 200 now. Cheaper than when we do market. Yam banana, mango, sweet and sour mango. Yeah, we are eating the. Eating them done.
Yeah, man, eating them done.
Good evening, Miss Elsie. How do you do? You alright? They can't no mango today, either today, no, it's done. Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me say this.
Yo, Dan, let me have your son. I'll take it to you, man.
Easy.
So, Now I'm gonna go the way there. So just start we can.
Oh.
You know, today was a good day. But you see the rasta there. You see me telling him this make him come. You see style there today. Hmm?
So I go on, man, but I release that.
Mhm.
I release that.
So why you always give me more money than yourself?
Over
You
yourself,
understand?
man. Over yourself, man. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, man. I have something. I'm
Ah,
going to live, man.
alright. I said nothing.
But I'm going to spend half the money on a rum now.
No man, just a one drink, that's how we stop yourself. Tell me someone kettle be when I bar me I pray anyway. Can't go around here and not drink one drink.
You can't work so hard and not spend out the money then, brother.
Me understand, you know, but
Anyway,
me no live with no woman as we say.
Alright, do what you do.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright. Jack.
Hey, JJ. Hey, Jimmy. I take a call. Hold on. Hello? What's up, Shanice? Yes? Just come off the road, you know. I'm going to call you back. Yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. I'll call you back. Yes. Wow. She called me fast.
Hello?
Hi, Shanice. How you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm done, you know.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, you used to my voice already. And I one time we talked on phone before.
What are your number?
Oh, you save it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so how was the day?
It was okay.
Oh,
How was your day?
day was great. Just a coming off of the market, you know. Tired and thing, you know.
Okay, well, I'm actually at a service today.
Oh,
I'm waiting to see you again.
okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, no problem. We can meet up. Where you want to meet up?
Um, Actually, I'd like, are you free tomorrow?
What time?
Mm, maybe 12. No, that's okay.
Oh, so you want to come to my village?
Sure. I'd like that.
You sure?
Can you put me in a little bit?
All right. You see, I live at a place called Grant Bush. Just wanna come out the square in Little London and turn up that road. Right. Yeah, man, just come all the way up until you see a sign on the left called Grant Bush is written on that sign, so you can't miss. So from you come there, 12 o'clock tomorrow, I'll meet you.
Alright,
I'm at,
I'm not so familiar with that area, but I'll call you when I'm on my way. We could ask me.
yeah, man, just call me and I'll come out there and meet you.
Okay, so 12 tomorrow?
Go again?
12 tomorrow.
Yeah, man, 12 tomorrow, man.
Okay, so I'm 19 again. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Really? I can understand how your boyfriend just beat me up like that and you just take on to me like that. But what about me like that? I don't know.
I guess I can show you our children tomorrow. My boyfriend had always been like that, a little bit abusive and rude. He had some other issues.
Oh, so I'm always abuser.
Not necessarily, but definitely an anger man.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk. We'll talk tomorrow. I'll give you a tour in my village.
Okay, I'd like that.
All right, cool.
It's just to enjoy the rest of the evening.
Alright, you too.
Thank you.
Alright.
What one Santa?
You are going, sir?
Yeah, for the whole
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back around.
Yeah, man. And drink your rum.
Woodland Port, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, just remember?
Yeah. Yeah, give one yai. Yeah.
1 yai. Yeah. 1 buckle of rum there, no. How are you? Santa. Santa. Yeah. There's you, Santa. No. Santa, you sure, Santa?
I'm not saying I'm not getting that shit. What's it? I'm not saying
Santa, no, I'm not fool, Santa. Santa.
I'm not Mind jump.
Look put the war right there, Santa.
Mind jump. You know, sit down.
I'm not starting.
But me not going to come back in there already.
Well, we never kill that here, no.
Me not know.
You don't know.
No, for me, no, sit down.
I think you never tell me, no.
Yeah.
We talk.
Yeah, man. Talk, man. For me, nothing on who.
Hey, listen to me now, man. You know, we shouldn't get chop no place this morning, yeah? I rasta for chop it. We could have the market and make some money. Because you have bread fruit I can sell for the tree yeah, already.
That's the same man I want to work, man.
Huh?
You see Rasta man work?
Yo, Donn.
Yeah.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, load the man alone.
Maggy.